Our contract with Brightpoint is necessary because we really help people help themselves through the power of work. So while we're here, we definitely try to employ as many people as we can.
Working at Goodwill has helped me get where I'm at right now. I have supporters that help me learn how to be a team lead and learn from others.
I started here because I was looking for a second job. I worked my way up to a lead. They seen greatness in me that I didn't see in myself. They started pushing me, and the more they pushed me, it made me to start pushing others in the right direction.
Throughout the years that we've been here, we've had several employees move up within our department, which is wonderful to see. A lot of our employees now are taking classes to better their workload here, and if they stay with us, great. If not, we also still provide those services. We encourage them to utilize them. I've seen a lot of growth.
The skills I learned from being at the job is being a people person and to interact with others.
I think this job is good because it's flexible and it helps you grow in this company to learn a lot more than just janitorial work.
Goodwill have a lot to bring to the table. We're in the building to make sure everything is neat and in place. Some things I do at my job is making sure all the tasks is correct and make sure everyone pleased.
What we do at the campus is we take on events. So we set up for events, we tear down, we also provide our services during those events, and we provide cleaning services during the day and night, so we're here around the clock. Our work is important because it provides cleanliness to the college, so when they do come back from breaks and things like that, they're coming back to a clean environment. It also helps the daily operations for the college run much smoothly. Working for Goodwill has definitely propelled me forward in my career, and I always have people who are willing to help and who back me.
This job helped me bring my confidence back because I was dealing with a lot of things in my life before I started working here.
I take pride as being a lead because I like things a certain way, and when he followed the tasks, it make my job feel more accomplished.
The programs that Goodwill provides, it helps us create a community of different personalities, different backgrounds, cultures, so it definitely brings everybody together to create a cohesive team.